Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming your Samsung phone and Android version so the settings match. Open any app with a text field, messages, or a browser, then tap to bring up the Samsung keyboard. Once the keyboard appears, press the gear icon or long press the comma or emoji to reveal settings. This step locates keyboard preferences and the search history area. Do this now so you can immediately access the specific keyboard controls required to clear stored searches. Now navigate the Settings menu. Tap Smart Typing or Privacy depending on your keyboard version, because these sections hold predictive and search data options. You'll see predictive text, suggested words, or sync with Samsung Cloud. Make sure you understand whether suggestions are local or cloud synced. Once located, choose Clear Suggestions or Clear Data for search history. This removes stored queries and learned phrases. Doing so resets predictions, so future suggestions won't include old searches. Finish by confirming the clear action. Tap Clear, Delete, or Disable Sync to remove cloud-stored entries. This guarantees both local and cloud history are handled. After clearing, restart the app or toggle the keyboard off and on so changes apply immediately. If suggestions persist, make sure keyboard and Samsung apps are updated and revisit Samsung Cloud to remove synced data. If problems continue, sign out of Samsung Cloud, clear its cache, then sign back in. That typically resolves lingering sync issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.